Hey everybody, I'm here to show you what you can do with a 40-pound box of chicken thighs. Let's go. You can slash your grocery bills by buying in bulk. I got this for $1.59 a pound. I'm going to help you uncover the secrets to make the most out of this $40 box of chicken thighs. Precision is key. You can prep to perfection. It saves time later. I'll show you all the proper prep and storage to ensure you make the most out of your food. Not just chicken thighs. I have a lot of videos on a lot of other bulk buying opportunities you can have. But here I'm trimming it up good, so then when after I freeze it, take it out, use it for a meal, it's already trimmed up, ready to go. It's just easiest to do this right when you open the box, provided it's not a frozen box. So I'm doing about 10 pounds in a bag. I'm going to twist those up later for storage. And here I'm just white wrapping 1.5 pound increments for later. I like to leave them in bigger piles like this because then I can grind them 10 pounds at a time. Why do I grind them? Good question. Because it's $1.59 a pound alternative to ground beef. So I use it in my hamburger helper, use it in meatballs, use it in lasagna. Um, I make snack sticks out of it, put into casings. Here, while the grill is going, I marinated my chicken thighs, half in Caribbean jerky, and the other half I did in a regular rub, where I call it a regular rub. Just salt, sugar, black pepper, garlic, onion powder. I skewered some of it, left some in full fillets. I'm doing this for a work potluck, so I grilled it all the day before on my Masterbuilt 1050 here, and then I heated up in a crock pot at work the next day, and we did sandwiches, or if people just wanted the kebabs, they could do that too. It is such a versatile ingredient. I mean, like the things I listed, so many things you can do with chicken thighs. You don't have to use it all at once. It freezes really well. And make sure to share your thoughts and any other bulk packaging tips in the comments below, because I think together we can build a community that cooks smart and saves big. I'm always looking for other ways to save money as well. So here I keep checking on it, flipping them around, finding the hot spots. You don't want to flare up on your chicken thighs because of the fat content. You can have some flare ups, and you can be left with some hockey pucks, and you don't want that either. Internal temp to 165, which they hit in about 10 minutes with some supervision. The kebabs up top, I move down below to make sure those are done up all the way through. And then after I've done cooking those, take care of them, then I go back downstairs and I did start grinding up some chicken for later. I package those up in 1 pound packages. Here we're going to give a kebab a try. This is the Caribbean jerk. I've never done that seasoning before, believe it or not. But upon request, that's what a lot of people wanted to try at work, so that's what I did. Here we go. And that turned out really good. And real quick, processing and packaging for you. I used to be a butcher for 10 years. That's how I know how to break down these boxes. I break down a bunch of other types of meat in my other videos, so make sure to watch those. You can prep your workspace just like you prep your food. The more time you put into it, the less time you have to spend in the back end. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Enjoy.